Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Sean B Nice back on some more Heat Rockin' today, man. This is gonna be a very quick video. I'm not gonna make this too long or drawn out, but while I was using the LG G7, there's something I noticed and I was blown away. I mean, what I'm about to show you guys, I'm hoping it picks up on camera. I'm gonna do whatever I can to make sure you guys pick up the sound quality in this, but wait till you guys see what I got in store. All right, so look. I was sitting here, I was listening to YouTube music, make sure I was like, check out the new app or whatever, since I'm signed into the beta. And I'm like, you know what, let me go ahead and check out some songs, see how these headphones sound. So now, as you guys seen in my unboxing video, the LG G7 has amazing sound quality. If you guys didn't see that, I'll give you a quick test during the video, but I'll also make sure I link my unboxing video in the description below, or you can check it out whatever corner. I don't know, I get confused sometimes, either here in this corner or here in that corner, but either way, I'm gonna let you hear a song with it on the table, and then I'm gonna let you guys, then we're gonna check out the headphone portion of this. Going back, let's go ahead and check out a song again. We'll do a different song. My last video I did Win, so we'll do some Pusha T. I'm going to let you guys hear the phone in my hand. I want to let you guys hear it with the phone on the table, okay? Wait till you see the difference. Max volume. Okay, that's what the phone in my hand. Wait till you guys see the phone on the table. Do you guys hear that drastic difference? That is a huge difference. I don't know. Look, LG, look here. I don't know how you guys was able to get a bottom firing one speaker, single speaker or mono speaker to sound that good. And here I have something like the Galaxy S9 Plus with dual speakers, and it doesn't even get that loud. Again, let me show you. And this is max value. Now, don't get me wrong. Galaxy S9 Plus does sound good, but again, now I do have a decibel meter, but I feel like it's no point, but you know, just for giggles, why not? Because you guys clearly hear the winner here. So on an LG G7, we're looking like around 106.9, okay? Let's see how it sounds with the Galaxy S9 Plus. (101.2) as you guys just saw. So one speaker sounds better than both. I mean, again, maybe I put it in the middle so I can make sure it catches this mic here and this mic here. Let me go ahead and do that test one more time. Believe it or not, it scores less. So when I had it closer to it, that was, you know, that was a lot as it could have got. So now, that's for the speakers and no headphone section, okay? Now keep in mind, the LG G7 comes with a couple of different sound profiles. You got a quad DAC, and you also have DTS X 3D sound. So we're gonna make sure that we put the headphones in now, make sure both of those are on. We're gonna be using the TrabLab Z2s for these for this test here. I reviewed these headphones. I'll make sure I link that video down in the description below if you want to check that out as well. And just to start off, we're gonna use the Galaxy S9 Plus first. Make sure we select the same song, Pusha T, of course. My playlist is public on my Twitter. You can follow me at Sean B Nice if you wanna hear how it sounds. See what kind of songs I got on here. So max volume. This was the Galaxy S9 Plus. I'm gonna put it closer to the mic for you guys. Okay, that's the Galaxy S9 Plus. Let me see if I can get a decibel meter read on that. I'm just curious. So we're like around 106.4. Okay. All right. Strange enough, it seemed like it picked up louder on the headphones versus the actual phone. So let's go ahead and put it into the LG G7 now. We got the DTS sound on in quad DAC. Make sure the volume is not maxed. Here's with the LG G7. Now this is just mid volume. And what's crazy, it almost sounds as loud as Galaxy S9 Plus at full volume. Here's full volume with the LG G7. First of all, huge, well, how Trump said, huge difference, fam. Like, that is crazy. I'm just curious to see how it's gonna pick up on the meter. All right, so I don't know, and I'm gonna be real with y'all. I can't. I tried to put these on with the max volume. I can't. It literally hurts my ears. I don't know if the software in the TrabLab Z2s is having some type of effect on here with the sound profiles or the aptX. I don't know, but as far as I know right now, and aptX is actually on their Bluetooth codec, so they ain't had nothing to do with it. But as far as right now, the LG G7 with headphones plugged into it is the loudest phone I've ever reviewed on my channel. And I don't know how LG did it, but between the sound profile with the phone laying down and then getting louder and then you plugging headphones into it, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. After I put my headphones to this G7 and then I put it back on the S9 Plus, I was disappointed. I'm like, man, I don't even want to listen to music on my S9 Plus through headphones no more. And what's crazy is I actually praised the S9 Plus before for having a good 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, sound quality. But after getting this G7, man, I'm like, woo! You feel me? So, man, make sure y'all check that out, man. If you guys are interested, man, go check out a T-Mobile or Sprint store or whatever, whoever your carrier is. Go in there, check out the G7, put your headphones in, and see what I'm saying for yourself, man. But if you like this video, man, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. This is a real quick video. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure you share. It's your boy Sean B. Nice, and I'm out, man. Doses.